What's your job? What's your job? I'm a student or a chef with a job. Where do you work? Where do you work? In an office or shop? Or maybe a school? What sports do you like? What sports do you like? I like football, tennis, or riding my bike. Ask me questions, 1, 2, 3. Ask me questions, answer me. Do you, are you, what and where? Questions, questions everywhere. What drinks do you like? What drinks do you like? I like tea, coffee, or juice with my lunch. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages, English and French. Do you live in London? Yes, I do. Are you married? No, I'm not, it's true. Do you speak French? No, I don't. I don't speak Spanish, that's for sure. Ask me questions, 1, 2, 3. Ask me questions, answer me. Do you, are you, what and where? Questions, questions everywhere. He's an actor. She's a teacher. I'm a student. Nice to meet you. Oh, oh.